I want to thank OIS for allowing me to present. A special thanks to Maureen. ECI Therapeutics is on a mission to revolutionize the treatment of dry eye disease. Our vision is to improve the lives of patients suffering from dry eye and ocular surface disease with one of the first approved biologics for the ocular surface, derived from pooled plasma that will resemble autologous serum but will be scalable, FDA approved, and covered by insurance. In this presentation, I will use the term serum eye drops to also include those originating from PRP. Our investment highlights, besides the market, team, and platform, lies in our novel manufacturing processes that converts plasma to a serum-like product by removing larger proteins, including fibrinogen and the clotting factors, while retaining the growth factors. The process results in what I call a growth serum that contains a concentration of growth factors that are similar to those found in autologous serum tears. Most of us know the size of the dry eye market. Just to tell you that there are 8 million patients that are treated with prescriptions, of which only about 25% are satisfied. That leaves about 6 million patients that are dissatisfied. The first ophthalmologist to use autologous serum was Dr. Rucker in 1938. In 1967, Dr. and Reverend Frank Flynn described the use of autologous serum to be laborious and heroic. Not much has changed as ECI embarks on this laborious and heroic journey, as true of all the innovators and entrepreneurs here at OIS. Since 1984, when Fox et al. Published the use of serum drops that have been increasingly more interested in, and opinion leaders throughout the US and beyond agree that serum eye drops are effective, well-tolerated, and full of substances that artificial tears can't replicate. There are no prescription drugs or treatments for dry eye available that resemble the normal human tear except for serum eye drops. Besides similar pH and osmolality, it is the presence of growth factors that are considered epithelial and neurotropic that maintain the homeostasis of the ocular surface. Barriers to serum tear use exist for both the physician and the patient. For the patient, the top 3 barriers are the lack of insurance coverage, not readily available, and inconvenient with the need for a needle stick. Physician barriers are similar and stem from serum tears not being FDA approved. Inability to have autologous serum FDA approved is due to its high variable content, lack of scalability, and no pathogen safety. For reference, autologous means coming from the same patient. Allogeneic means coming from a healthy donor. Our solution, product ECI 101, is an allogeneic serum-like drop derived from pooled plasma that contains chitosan. Chitosan is a linear carbohydrate that improves the viscosity and mucoadhesive properties of the serum to keep the API in the surface of the cornea longer. The device used to apply the drop includes a 30-day multi-dose eye drop that has a tip that prevents reflux and contamination of its contents, allowing the product to be preservative-free. Because we are using pooled plasma that has been pathogen-reduced more than once, it has scalability, safety, and can be well characterized. The FDA has aligned on our plan. Even though foreign to ophthalmology, plasma-based drugs have a well-established market penetration and safety profile. Besides donors being healthy and screened, plasma undergoes other pathogen safety steps. And since there's no RBCs, red blood cells, or T cells, the product is ABO universal and is not at risk for graft versus host disease. Some examples of plasma-based drugs include IVG and alpha-1 antitrypsin. One product familiar to ophthalmologists that many of you may use is Tecile fibrin sealant used during ophthalmic surgery, and that is made from pooled donor plasma. Per year, over 16 million patients are treated with a plasma product. Our early proof of concept feasibility study with serum with chitosan revealed an increased rate of corneal epithelial healing in a mouse model. Since then, we have developed, as part of our pre-IND work, a functional assay for our product using a cell model of proliferation and migration. In our cell model, we have seen similar response to corneal healing in vitro with our plasma-derived growth serum in concentration-dependent fashion compared to controls with no deleterious effect of the cells when tested with excipients. Our growth serum and chitosan platform has other applications. Since our plasma-derived growth serum can be concentrated without affecting pH and osmolality, ECI 102, a concentrated form of ECI 101, could be used for more severe ocular surface diseases. In addition, by manipulating the concentration and molecular weight of the chitosan, the growth serum drop could be made into an ointment, a patch, and even a contact lens. Our team is rare, since it combines both expertise in plasma and in the ophthalmology space. Left-hand side of the slide, our CEO, Alon, and myself complement each other. Alon has expertise in plasma safety with expertise in bringing multiple plasma products to commercialization. On the right-hand side of the slide, Dean and Rami break down the plasma and ophthalmology silos once again. And in the middle, we have Matt, a leading expert on chitosan. We are seeking funding, collaboration, and participation, the amount of $21 million to complete our IND submission. And that has a cost of $10 million and a phase 2 that has a cost of $11 million. Thank you for your attention.